Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 zoomed in screen. So first you need to come to the start menu, go to setting, tap on display option. If you have several monitors, select your display like this. Then after scroll down, come to the scale and layout section. Make sure to set the scale as 100% and recommended option and display resolution as recommended option like this. If it is set other resolution, you have to set it as a recommended option. Then after close this one. Again right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on display adapters, right click on your graphic driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. Once it is done, come back again. This time tap on browse my computer for drivers. If the first one is not working or it says already installed the driver, tap this one again, select your driver from here, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver if there is issue with the installed driver. So finally you can right click on it, go to properties, go to driver tab. If there is a latest version installed recently, you can roll back that driver from tap on this one. In my case it is inactive, so if you able to see this is active, tap on this one, then it will be roll back your driver. Once it is done, tap on OK, tap on close this one, and again go to start menu, go to setting, go to accessibility in the left side menu, tap on magnify option. Make sure to turn off magnify like this, close this one, and then after you can do the simple fix. Just tap on Control Shift Windows key plus B simultaneously to reset your graphic driver. Once it is done, you have to come to start menu again, tap on power icon. You can see there is option called restart. You need to press the shift key in your keyboard. While pressing shift key, you can tap on restart. Then it will be come to troubleshoot menu, tap in the blue screen menu, tap on troubleshoot there. Then after tap on advanced option, start up setting and restart. While your computer, once your computer restart, you will be able to see a list of options again. You have to select 4 of F4 key in your keyboard depending on your keyboard to boot into the safe mode. Once you are in the boot safe mode, you can right click on the desktop, go to display setting, select your display as previously, scroll down to scale and layout section, and make sure to select the scale and display resolution for the recommended options like this. If none of these methods was not working, you have to reinstall your Windows. There is a bunch of videos in my channel how to reinstall Windows 11, so you can watch that video and reinstall your Windows 11 computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.